大家好，我是青椒的老师，我是拉高斯大学文字学院的老师。Today we are going to learn changes of tonal marks of E. Do we know what is E? This is E. And this is original tone of E. If you remember our tone marks, we have Ma, 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 Ma. Do you remember it? Ma, 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 Ma. Again. Ma, 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 Ma. Okay, so the original tone of E is what the first tone, which is flat tone. So here, it has some change of when did the tone of this E changes. That's what I'm going to explain today. So the first one is when E is followed by a syllable in the first, second, and the third tone. They said well, that each tone changes into the fourth tone. Do you understand again? When this E is followed by a syllable in the first, second, or third tone, it changes into what? The fourth tone. Example: Ijan. Ijan. What is the meaning of Ijan? Ijan means what? A pieces or a sheet. So like Ijan Piao, like a ticket. Ijan Piao, a ticket. Okay, then the next one is what? Itiao. Itiao. Itiao also means what? A pieces of something too. Something that is long. Then the next one is what? Yizhong. Yizhong, which is what? A type of something. Yizhong, blah blah. Yizhong dongshi, a type of something. Okay, so you see, because the word that is followed is what? This one is the first tone, this is the second tone, and this is the third tone. So that's why instead of E, Jan, it's now word E, Jan. Do you understand? So the first rule said when this E, this is the original tone of E, which is the flat tone, when it follows word that a syllable that has first, see this one has first tone, second, and or third tone, that instead of saying E Jan is now what? E Jan, E Tiao, or E Zhong. Do you understand? Okay, you're doing well, very good. Then the second rule says what? When E, this is the same E, is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, it changes into the second tone. So when this E, this word E, is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, that is Ma, foreign tone, it changes into the second tone. Example is what? Ding. Instead of Ding. I know most of us that speak Chinese, you know you have not heard of anything. Ding is Ding. Ding. Sometimes you'll be saying this, some people will say you might not know the reason why. This is the reason now. So Ding, because what? This Ding is in fourth tone. According to our rules, this thing is what in fourth tone. That's why it changes to second tone. Yiding. Then the next one is what? Yihuai. Yiding means what? Sure, certainly. Yiding. Then the next one is Yihuai. Yihuai, which means what? A pieces. Okay. Then the last rule says what? When E is used alone, when this E is used alone or in a number, its tone doesn't change. This is only when the E has its original tone, which is what? When it's followed by, when it's used alone or in a number. So example is what? D, E. D, E is the first, just like first position. D, E, then E, R, San, like this one is number. E, R, San, Su, Ro, Shiba, Jo. E, R, San. Then next one, Chin, Chi, E. Chin, Chi, E is what? Monday. Shi E, which is number, Shi E is what? 11. Why? By French E, by French, only by French is percentage. When you say by French E is what? 1%. E is 1, then 1%. Do you understand? Okay, the first one, let's recap. Now let's recap. The first one said when this E is followed by a syllable in the first, second, or third tone, it changes into the fourth tone. Example: Ijan, Ijan. Can you say after me? Ijan, Ijan. Then the second one, Itiao, yi jiao. Then the last one, yi zhong. Very good. And the second rule says when E is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, it changes what into the second tone. Example is what? Idin. Can you try it? Idin. Very good. Yihuai. Very good. When the third rules, when E is used alone or in a number, its tone doesn't change. Example is what? D-E. Can you try it? D-E. Very good. E-A-san. Very good. E-A-san. Then Qing-Qi-E. Qing-Qi-E. Very good. She-E. Then last one. Bai-fen-ji-E. Bai-fen-ji-E. Okay. I hope this will help you in your Chinese learning. 再见